Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player. Today I'm going to show you how to play Photograph by Def Leppard. Subscribe to my channel and we'll keep bringing you these videos. So let's get started in the lesson. Okay, so this song revolves around a lot around this E chord here. So if you want to play along with it online with the band, they tune down a half a step. So you will have D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, and D sharp. So they're tuned down one fret basically, but I'm in standard tuning here for the purpose of this lesson. So it starts out like with this E chord here, this bar chord. You bar the 7th fret, you put your 3rd finger and your 4th finger on the 9th fret of the 2 middle strings of the D and the G. And then you take your 2nd finger and you put it on the 8th fret here of the G string. And it goes like this. So that's the first 2 chords. You're going to play this E chord and you're going to lift your pinky. Then you're going to take these 2 fingers and move them down 1 string. And your pinky is going to go on the 10th fret. Your 3rd finger is going to go on the 9th fret right there of the G string. And you're going to lift up your 3rd finger. That's an A chord. And when I play that, I just slide up here on the 2nd fret, I bar all 4 of these strings, and I hit these 2 middle strings and the A string. Then it goes back into that. And while one guitar player is doing that, the other guitar player is just doing this. So. So at the end of the verse, it hits the E chord, slides down to a B chord here, which is that same bar shape on the 2nd fret. Then it hits an A. And then you reach around your pinky and you hit these, cover up these 2 strings on the 5th fret. So it goes. And that's the end of the verse. And it goes into the chorus, and that's going to be the C chord here. We're going to have that bar pattern, and you're going to lift up. You're going to hit just these 3 strings here, and then you're going to lift up your 1st finger on and off of the A string on the 3rd fret like this. Then you're going to slide your 1st finger back a fret like this. So. Then you go D, A, D, A, A. So. So that's the next part. And to do that, you're going to put your second finger on the second fret of the A string. And you're going to play these 3 strings here. So you're going to slide from the second fret to the third fret. And you're going to put your first finger on the D string right there. And you're going to slide up to the 5th fret. And for that 4th chord, you're going to slide your 3rd finger up to the 7th fret on the A string. And your first finger is going to be on the 5th fret of the D string here. Then the second time around, it changes the last 2 chords. It switches them. And it does this. So it goes through it twice. Then it has this sort of an octave chord situation here that it slides up to this C chord. You're going to start with the first finger on the A string on the 2nd fret, and your 4th finger on the G string on the 4th fret. And you're going to slide both of these fingers up here. And you want to mute this D string here. So you just have these 2 strings ringing. And it goes back down to this. And that's the part during the guitar solo. It goes through the original chord progression 3 times. Then it plays that. And during the guitar solo, it plays that, I think, 4 times. And then it goes back to the... So that's basically the parts in that song. The parts in that song. So if you learn those 3 basic chord progressions, you can play the entire song and you can play along with it. So it's a pretty cool song. If this helped you out, great. Subscribe to my channel and we'll keep bringing you more videos. So thank you and have a good day.